To manage oily skin, try these strategies. Number 1, gentle cleansing. Use a mild oil-free cleanser twice a day to remove excess oil without over-drying. Number 2, exfoliate regularly. Exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week with a salicylic acid or a glycolic acid, I'll put it in the description, product, to remove dead skin cells and prevent clogged pores. Number 3, an oil-free moisturizer. So basically choose a lightweight oil-free moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated without adding extra oil. Number 4, clay masks. Use clay masks weekly to absorb excess oil and reduce the shine. Number 5, blotting papers. Carry blotting papers to quickly absorb oil throughout the day without disturbing makeup if you're a woman. Hopefully it's because you're a woman. Other products, I'll leave it at number 6 in the description. Non-Comedogenic, that won't clog pores. Check it out in the description. Number 7, dietary supplements. Basically, maintain a good balance of food without excess sugars, exacerbating oils. Number 8, drink plenty of water all the time. You gotta drink water. If oily skin persists and is accompanied by acne, consider consulting a dermatologist or a dermatologist for personalized advice.